I used to feel tired, weak and lazy. I didn't care much about my health, but one day I said, enough, I want to feel better. I started with simple steps, drinking more water, walking every day, eating fruit instead of chips. At first it was hard, hard, but slowly I felt stronger, my body had more energy, my mind became clearer, I started smiling more. And now I want to say this to you. Your health matters. Take small steps today. Sleep well. It will move your body. You don't need to be perfect. Just that a healthy self is a strong self. If I can do it, so can you love yourself enough to care for your health? Thank you so much, sir.